guys, I'm DinosaurBoy, and today I'm gonna talk about the terrifying birds called terror birds. After the large dinosaurs became extinct about 66 million years ago, huge flightless birds known as terror birds seized the opportunity to become the dominant predators of their day. Gastornis was one of the terror birds. It had an enormous head and powerful legs like those of its dinosaur ancestors, so it could outrun its prey. Some experts believe that Gastornis is a close cousin of ducks, geese, and other related birds. Did you know Gastornis was named in 1855 after Gaston Plantain, a fossil hunter who turned to physics and 4 years later invented the lead-acid battery used in cars and trucks. Even though these birds were huge, they were also light-footed, fast runners. This is because, like all birds, they had hollow bones. The diets of terror birds included small and medium-sized mammals such as prehistoric rodents and horses. At those days, Gastornis ate a small mammal of its time called Leptictidium. During the late Eocene and Oligocene epochs, 40 to 23 million years ago, the big carnivorous mammals became more powerful and better hunters. They became dominant and took over. However, in South America, which was cut off from North America and the rest of the world for much of the past 66 million years, terror birds managed to stay dominant for a longer period of time. One South American terror bird was Phorusrhacidae, which grew to be 2.5 meters tall. Another terror bird is titanis. Titanis was one of the few North American terror birds and one of the biggest of all. It was 2.5 meters tall and weighed 150 kilograms. Okay everyone, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to click that like button and subscribe. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.